Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the dimensions. How we can add dimensions, which is here. We'll go click on it. You see, it's aligned dimension. The shortcut is DI. The shortcut is DI. So don't forget it for the quick shortcut way. So we can see that this is going to the modify place dimensions. We can have aligned, linear, angular, radial, diameter, arc, spot elevation, spot coordinate, spot slope. Okay, and we can place the dimensions where we want. For example, wall centers, wall faces, center of core, face of the core. Or we can have the pick individual reference or entire wall. Let's escape from this. Let's go to the annotate, and in the annotate we have this. You see, the same thing. Okay, can have other types also. And let's press DI on the keyboard and we can have our aligned dimension. Let's go to here. Let's see. I selected wall center lines. For example, if I click on this, let's click on this, it only selects the center lines. And if I want to keep it like this, I'll just go in this space and click here, and it will create this dimension line for me. I escape it from the command, and you can see this is something like this. Let's go back to DI, the shortcut, and let's try again. Let's click on this, and let's again click on this and click on this. Maybe you mistakenly or accidentally you click it on this. You don't want this. You just click on it and it will just create something like this. Click on here and it will just give you the measurement of this between two walls. Okay. Another thing is that let's escape, and when you select this, we have another thing, which is edit witness line, EW. You can just go and add this one here or remove it. Click or remove it. You see, let's have something like this. Again, DI. Let's have something like this, and I'll keep it like this. Let's say that I forgot to add this one here. So I'm going here, click on this, or go to the edit witness line. We can have add this one here and click here, and this will be added. Okay, you don't need to create something like this. This is wrong. When you click on this and you escape it, let's say click, you create it, and then you go here and you are going to create another one. This is correct. You will have two different dimension lines. Okay, so this is not what we want. So okay, let's delete this, and delete this. DI again. Let's go to the other ones, wall faces. This was wall center line. It takes it from the center line. This is not what we want. We'll go to the wall faces. Wall faces which will take the face of this. Still we have the option of center line, but we will go with the faces. Okay, for example, from this face to this face to this face to this face, and I'll click and I can see I have this. But maybe you will say I don't like this. Then no, okay, no problem. We'll go to escape and edit line and click on this and click on this, and escape. Oh, okay, we made a mistake here. Let's go to click, and click here, then escape. Okay, then you will have the dimension between these two rooms. This till here, and this from here this is the measurement of it, 5.32 meters. DI again. We will have center of the core. This is something that we didn't take. Let's go here and change this to a different wall. Okay, let's create and make this one fine. Just go here, make it fine, level. And DI, we have our center of the core. It will take the core. This is the core. We explained this. You can go back to our previous videos and look at the wall layers. Okay, just click on this and it will create from this core. We have the face of the core. The face of it, this is the face of it, or this is the face of the core. This is the core. We said the structure is, this is the structure, this is the extra parts. Okay, and this was the how we can add the dimensions. Let's delete this and let's go with something different. DI, for example, I'll go here and I'll go with the wall faces. Okay, wall faces, click here and I will have this. Okay, let's DI again. I made a mistake. Okay, let's say we are just calculating the openings also. You see, this is 0.6, this is 4.54. You see, but this took too much time. We can do it in a quicker way. DI and go to the entire wall. When you go to the entire wall, we have an option here. Before it was grayed out. When we go to the entire walls, we will have options. I will say I will do it without these. Let's do it first without these, and it will create something like this. You see, all the walls once. But if I go to DI again, and then I'll go to the let's go with the wall center lines and click, it will create from the center line. See, if I go to the option and go with the opening, you see, let's click and it will create something like this. Let's see it. It creates something like this. You see, intersects it. What we did here, what it was adding centers. It's adding the centers to the windows. This is not what I want. I will do it with the width, and this is the width, the quicker way. You see, this is the quicker way than adding all the walls and windows. We have another way, which is intersecting walls. Let's deselect this and activate this intersecting walls. For example, I have intersecting wall here. Let's see if I'm, yeah, intersecting walls. And there's no intersection between these walls. Let me just click here. Yes, this is the intersecting walls. You see, intersecting walls. It intersects through this intersection. This is the intersection. Let's go with the DI and go with the wall faces this time. Wall faces, it gives us different things. You see, it now calculated this and this and this. Let's go with this one, and now it calculated this. See, the intersecting wall of this, and this. See, when we change it, it changes a lot. When we change only one option, it changes a lot. You see, it's how Revit works. This is how amazing Revit is. We have intersecting grid and we have wall faces, and I'll just click and it will just add the grids from grid to grid. See, we add it from the wall faces and it goes from wall faces and it calculates the grid 0, 10. If I go with this, change this to here, it changes. Okay, let's go Control Z and delete this DI, and let's go with the wall center line. Let's see what happens. Okay, something like this. Only the grids have been selected. You see, I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.